Adding music to your Instagram story is one of the best ways to make your content pop, express your mood, and connect with your audience. But sometimes, you might find that the music option is missing or unavailable. If you've ever wondered why you can't add music to your Instagram story, you're not alone. Let's dive into the reasons behind this, what you can do about it, and how Famety can help you keep your social media game strong. First, let's look at some of the most common reasons why the music sticker might not show up when you're creating a story. The most frequent cause is simply location. Instagram's music feature isn't available in every country yet due to licensing agreements. If you're in a region where Instagram hasn't secured music rights, you won't see the music sticker. This can be frustrating, especially when you see friends in other countries adding their favorite tracks to their stories. Another reason could be the type of account you're using. If you have a business account, certain music features may be restricted due to copyright regulations. Instagram aims to protect artists and copyright holders, so some tracks may be unavailable, or the entire music option may be limited on business profiles. If you're using a personal account and still don't see the music sticker, it could be a temporary glitch or an issue with the app itself. Outdated app versions are another culprit. Instagram regularly rolls out new features and updates, so if you haven't updated your app in a while, you might be missing out on the latest features, including music for stories. Make sure you're running the most recent version of Instagram for your device. Sometimes, simply logging out and back in, or reinstalling the app, can resolve these kinds of issues. It's also worth noting that Instagram occasionally tests new features with a small group of users before releasing them to everyone. If you're part of a test group, you might lose access temporarily, or you may not have the feature yet. Don't worry, these rollouts usually happen quickly, so keep your app updated and stay tuned for new options. Now, let's talk about solutions and how you can continue to create standout content even when music isn't available. You can always add your own sounds or background music using external editing apps before uploading your story to Instagram. This gives you more control over your audio and lets you sidestep limitations. Alternatively, you can use Instagram's other creative features. Try stickers, GIFs, polls, questions, and effects to engage your audience. At Famety, we understand how important it is to keep your stories engaging and fresh. That's why we offer a suite of services designed to boost your social media presence, no matter what features Instagram has available. Whether you need likes, followers, comments, shares, or advice on maximizing your content, Famety is here to support you. Our live support team can help you troubleshoot issues and provide tips for optimizing your stories and posts, even when you can't use music. Remember, social media is all about creativity and connection. If you hit a roadblock, like missing the music sticker, look for new ways to engage your audience. Share behind-the-scenes moments, ask questions, use trending hashtags, or showcase your personality with unique visuals. With Famety backing you up, you'll have the tools and support you need to keep your social media accounts thriving. So, while not being able to add music to your Instagram story can be a minor setback, it's also an opportunity to try something new and keep your followers engaged. Make sure your app is updated, explore alternative creative options, and trust Famety to help you stay energized and successful in your social media journey. Keep creating, keep sharing, and let Famety take your online presence to the next level.